This is Ilyas Mahmood. Welcome back our 11th online class. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. So, our last class was about narration. Already, two topics already have been introduced to you, that assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. Today, I will discuss about another two topics, imperative and exclamatory. So let's go to our slides. You already know that our subject code is 65712. Narration. Indirect speech in command, request and advice. That means it is imperative sentence. We know the imperative sentence that indicates such type of command, order, advice and so on, or request. Firstly, we have to make ourselves known with the sentence imperative. Imperative. Imperative sentence that indicates that command, request and advice. If we like to change into indirect action, that will be the imperative mode is changed into the infinitive form. That means our principal verb will be changed into with the help of infinitive. Pattern, that's imperative sentence can be in two types, affirmative and negative. If the imperative sentence is affirmative, it will take the pattern like that. Sentence will be helpful. If the affirmative sentence is imperative sentence is affirmative mode, that will be firstly we have to give the subject plus verb of command, request and advice. That means in which topic the sentence will be discussed, according to the verb it will change command, request or advice. Plus object plus infinitive. Infinitive plus verb, that means principal verb, plus adverbial, phrases, complement and so on. Okay, if I give a example here, it will be like that. Rana said, teacher said, take your book. If we change it, indirect, teacher said, you know, it is the verb. It will be changed into command, request and advice. Or order, maybe also order. You can write order, it was past tense. The principal verb of the sentence is take, and we will take two. Already we have told that object, your book, that means it will change into object, second person. That means it will be is or. That means our book. Okay. That is simple imperative sentence. There are another. That was in affirmative. Now we see negative. Subject plus command request or anything else plus object not plus infinitive plus verb, adverbial phrase and complement. Just there we will use not. Only not will added with the affirmative. If I write direct teacher said don't go out. If I make it indirect, teacher command or order not to go out. What is the dissimilarity before the affirmative? Here I have only given not to make it in negative sense, and state will change according to the sentence. Teacher said do not go out. That means it is the order of teacher not to go out. Now we will see some words that are used in imperative sentence, and according to the direction it changes into such type. If in direct speech we get command, it changes into command or order. If it says it may be forbid according to the meaning of the sentence. Request, say they need to request it or take advice. If the same indicate advice, if the same indicate request, then will be say will be requested or begged, and advice will be implored advice or asked or want. Such type of word can be used in changing it indirect. Now we will see the use of let. We see that imperative sentence makes in two categories. Some of the imperative sentence started with principal verbs and another started with let. Let that means that indicates proposed. If I write like that, direct, Luna said let us practice speaking English. Luna said, let us practice speaking English. That means there is the sentence that started with let. We will see how such type of sentence, direct narration, take into indirect. Here the word let is to change into might, should. We have to remember that let into change into might or should. Okay. And said will be changed into proposed. That means here Luna proposed all of your friends or the people who live there, they will practice English. So, Luna proposed. Here we will use conjunctions that indicators, and it is we know as that means it is the first person using with the Luna, and it is plural form, and we have to change according to the subject. That means here I can say they, and we can use might practice speaking. Okay. Here only the formation will change only for left. Now we'll see some important matter. If we get let me or let us, and function, permission, proposal and suggestion, it may in three categories. It may be permission, proposal or suggestion. If you get a permission, then it will be permission. If you get any proposal, that will be proposal, and suggestion, if you get any suggestion, it will change it to direct speech. Requested, might, proposed, suggested, and dot should. Now, the last topic is about indirect speech of exclamation. We know exclamation, that means some sudden speaking. In the sudden speaking, we also get a note of exclamation. Note of exclamation at the ending of the sentence. Okay. So what will be the function if I make direct indirect? Exclamatory form of sentence will turn into assertive. Firstly, you have to remember that exclamatory sentence form will change it to assertive sentence. Okay. Note of exclamation will be omitted. That means we will not get any exclamation mark. Note of exclamation ending of the sentence. That will be used as linker or conjunction. Great or very will replace to what or how. What or how. Now follows the great but adjective takes very. That means if I already told that the assertive sentence, exclamatory sentence will change into assertive. That's why we have to use or we have to add a adverb here, great or very. If I give an example, it will be easy, I think. If I say bravo, you have on the match. It's a direct speech in exclamation, and we have got a marked exclamation here. Now it will be changed into indirect like that. Teacher, here say will change into indifferent mood according to the meaning. Here we have got the meaning like that, something joyful, which are, we can say, explained with joy at, according to say that you, that will, second person will go to the object of the reporting speech. Here there is no object, then that's why you can, if I say to ask, it will be clear that we have, that means just in present perfect tense, it will change into past perfect, that's why it will be have on the mess. Okay. Next we have to think that what is the sentence it is. And if you cannot find the appropriate sentence, then it will be difficult to change. Firstly, you have to identify the sentence perfectly, then it will be easy to change, otherwise it may be doubtful to you. Next. If we get such type of word in direct expression, it will be changed into indirect expression like that. Hurray, if we get hurray, it will be exclaimed in joy, alas, exclaimed in grief, ha, exclaimed in wonder, disgust or horror. How, exclaimed in wonder, disgust or horror, help, shouted for them. Okay, it is very important, you have to memorize it because it will be helpful for changing, saying seeing the word, you have to change the reporting speech, saying, reporting part according to the indication. If I get goodbye, that will be saying goodbye to, thank you, that will be thanked, happy if they wish for happy. Or Dabo accredited saying, she exclaimed that. Okay, that's it. Also very important for changing. If we get good, it will be exclaim that, liar, all the liar, welcome, welcome, good heavens, same in order, who knows, none knew that who got congratulation and congratulated. Okay. This is our today's topics, and at the ending of the topics, I like to give you some suggestion that you will practice at home according to your syllabus on narration. If you practice more, I think it will be very easy for you. And passage narration will not come to your exam, and sentence narration will become. So don't be worried and practice at home on the topics, and it will be helpful for you. Thank you very much.